So when you call it here, it's an elderly woman. So she just took it by mistake. She didn't take it. But it's an elderly woman.
Yeah, folks, this is Captain O'Neill. Apparently, there is a missing cell phone that belongs to one of the gate agents out here that is able to track the phone to the airplane. So we're going to have the jetway come back up and have security come on the airplane until we can figure this out. So if somebody does has taken a phone by mistake, please make sure you have your correct phone. If not, then you can give the phone to one of the flight attendants. Everybody, please check to make sure that you
Se han robado un
your
teléfono
own personal phone and that that the phone wasn't taken
en
by
el
mistake.
avión que va para la República Dominicana de una de las empleadas y nadie se va hasta que no aparezca el teléfono.
Indicarnos nuevamente que se muestra que el teléfono está en la cabina. Si usted lo tomó por no sabía que era de usted o lo confundió con el suyo, nada más entréguelo. Nadie va a meterse en problemas. Lo único es que necesitamos este teléfono. Por favor, nuevamente, revise que es su teléfono, lo están llamando y se oye que está acá dentro en la cabina.